Purpose. Python is a general-purpose language. It's used in data science, machine learning, automation, and back-end development. JavaScript was made for the web. It runs in every browser and is essential for interactive websites. But now, with Node.js, it's also used for back-end and full-stack development. Syntax. Python is known for its clean, readable code. It looks like English. JavaScript question. It's more complex. Lots of braces, semicolons, and weird behaviors. Speed. JavaScript usually runs faster thanks to browser engines like V8. Python is slower, but makes up for it with powerful libraries and easy coding. Use cases. Python powers data science, AI, machine learning, scripting, and APIs. Think TensorFlow, Pandas, and Django. JavaScript builds websites, mobile apps with React Native, and even desktop apps with Electron. Community and libraries. Both have massive communities and libraries. Python has NumPy, SciPy, Flask, PyTorch. JavaScript has React, Vue, Express, and a million NPM packages. Learning curve. Python is beginner-friendly. You can learn the basics in a weekend. JavaScript is more confusing at first, but way more versatile once you master it. Career. Python is huge in data roles, research, and automation. JavaScript is essential for any front-end or full-stack developer job. So, which one should you learn? Want to build websites or mobile apps? Go with JavaScript. Want to automate tasks or dive into AI? Python's your pick. Interested in both?